class. My name is Eliana, and tonight I'm going to teach you a very special prayer. It's called the Lord's Prayer. Can you say that with me? The Lord's Prayer. This prayer was taught by Jesus himself. Isn't that amazing? Matthew chapter 6 verse 9 to 13. This then is how you should pray. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. And forgive us our debts, as we also have forgiven our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. For yours is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever. Amen.